Love having Katchy, and I have the refills here that were sent to me to put a new one in. For our Katchy, we pull it from the bottom. That's all the yucky bugs it did a great job catching for us. Then you just take your new one, and it has a little spot here that says open. So you peel that off, could not be simpler. Pop it in the bottom, and when you put your finger on it, you'll notice that's sticky. And then that is it. That is how simple it is to change it out. Now it's ready so that you can use it, and you can take that old gross one, and I usually just kind of cover it up and pop that right in the trash. And then I love that you have extras as well, so you can change them out as often as needed, but I find these last a really, really long time. So grab some of these refills and let Katchy do what Katchy does best.